sa startup config. Nasaan yung startup config? NB lang. Kasi when a router boots up, startup config is applied. Okay? Malinaw po. Okay. So after you have saved, perform show run. So ito dapat maging, don't worry about the ACL number, parehas lang yan. Show run. SH space run. Uy, Cisco 1. Show run. Spacebar. Spacebar. Hanggat nakita niyo yung access list na ginawa niyo. So as you can see, no, there are 3 statements, right? Okay. Permit TCP host 101.2 host 172. So as what you have noticed, sir, di ba ang nilagay namin port 80? Bakit naging www? No? Automatically, the Cisco IOS changes the port number into the corresponding protocol. Okay lang yun. Deny IP any host, permit IP any. Then, make sure it is applied onto FA01. You know, IP access group 100 out. So doon na lang ba yun? Hindi. No? We will test the ACL that we have created. Sir, paano? No? Balikan natin yung unang bullet. Host B should be able to access the Finance web server via web browser. O, punta kayo ng host B class. Pasok kay host B. Go to web browser. Under the web browser, anong ilalagay dyan sa URL? Kindly type the IP address of the Finance web server. 172.122 problema sa akin. 172.122.22.17 and hit enter. There should be an HTML file. Yung Cisco Packet Tracer. Hindi ko na binago yung HTML. Did the web page appear? Yes. So that confirms the first scenario. Okay. Next, let's check the succeeding statements. Other access from the core and the local LAN to the Finance web server is blocked, is denied. Oh, let's check. Pasok kayo ng host A class. Host A. Ano yung other types of access na yun? Hindi mag-web browsing din tayo. Check in host A. Go to the web browser. Type the IP address of the Finance web server. Can you access the web page? No. Bakit? Because it fits the second statement. No? Deny. Di ba yung local LAN subnet, which is host A? Any type of access from the core or local LAN to the Finance web server should be blocked. Yes. Sorry? Ito nga, any. So, sino yung any na yun? Host A. Di ba? Ito na yung pinag-combine natin. Ito yung local natin. Kaya nag-test tayo kay host A. Say that one. Dapat hindi. Di ba? Are we clear? Another way to validate. Balik-balik ng Corp 1. Okay. Sir, how do we check if our ACL work? Okay. But how do we check on the Cisco iOS? You will usually see hits. Ano yung hit? Ano ba yung hit sa Tagalog? May tama. May tumatama dun sa ACL statement. Paano namin sir nakikita na may tumatama dun sa ACL statement? Go to the router, perform this command. Show IP access dash list. Balik ulit ng router, show IP access dash list. May nakikita kayong open and close parenthesis dun sa dulo. Matches. May nakikita kayong matches dun sa first and second statement. It means that there are traffic scenarios that fit the ACL NDs that you have created. That's one way to check it. So hindi lang basta kinonfig, no? Nag-test tayo ng traffic flow, then we reconfirm it again onto the router. Okay? Malinaw po? At least, natapos tayo in less than an hour. 7:56. Okay. Any questions? Pass. Okay, so again, tomorrow I'll be posting your first lab exercise about ACL. So again, it's individual. I'll be assigning a student in. No? Obviously, para magkakaiba kayo ng output. Okay. Just follow whatever is indicated in this. Naka-step by step naman yun. The output that I'll be needing, just get the screenshot. Just get the snippet. No? Snipping tool. No? Tapos capture. Okay? Then you need to indicate your surname and section. So edit nyo na lang sa Paint. Lagyan nyo sa may lower right, your name section.
Sir, what should the snip show? Should I just show the access list, sir?
I'll be indicating what will be recorded. You do not need to pass the PKD file to me. Hindi ko din bubuksan yan. Ang kailangan ko lang yung output. Okay? So again, submission will be made next week. Next Thursday, or exactly 1 week. Take home. This lab exercise hopefully will prepare you as well in your second written exam. Again, wala munang exam next week. No? Not muna tayo. Discussion lang muna ng natin. Okay? So, on Monday, I'll be posting again a video link about that for you to watch. Ganun ulit. Gawa ng handwritten report to be submitted at the evening.
Sa post B.
Any questions?
PC po.
Yes. For example, routing table. Show IP access list. Yung mga dumating po, nanginigit for test.